All right, guys. So real quick, I was really having trouble getting the DJI goggles to fit well. Um, I was using the stock sort of silicone spacer here. It just wasn't fitting well on my face. I wasn't able to get good focus. It wasn't really comfortable on my nose at all. Felt like it was pinching my nose and I couldn't breathe well. So I tried a bunch of different options and I finally found one that I feel works really well. So here it is, right? So I purchased this aftermarket lens cover face, foam cover face. I'll have a link below on Amazon where I purchased this. But even with this, this helped a little bit, but even with this, still needed more spacing between the video and my eyes, right, to get it to focus right. So the second thing I did, which I found worked really well, and I haven't seen anyone else try this, haven't heard about it anywhere else, was I purchased this foam insulation tape off Amazon. I got the 3/8 inch thickness foam tape. It's got essentially double back stick tape here that you peel, and I just kept applying it to different places on the goggles until I got the right spacing, right? I apply a little spot on the nose piece here, a spot up here at the top, and then a few spots here on the bottom and on the sides. After that, just kept working with it. I even applied another strip right here in the nose of this foam pad. And let me tell you, sounds cheesy, pretty budget, but works perfectly. I finally got the fit that I wanted. Finally am able to focus on the entire screen. My eyes are able to focus entirely across the field of view. There's no part of the field of view that's blurry. So, I'll link down below to each of those products that I bought. Found that it worked really well for me. Hopefully it helps any of you guys who are having trouble getting the DJI goggles to fit well. And I'll say as well as that with the foam tape, there were parts that I had to, kind of cut the foam tape in half a little bit just to get it to be a little bit thinner. But, you can do that with each of the spots that fits best for your face. So anyway, hope that's a helpful tip. Finally got these to fit well, super comfortable, not really pinching my nose, inhibiting my breathing or anything, and no light leakage across the mask. So definitely check these links out below. Should help you get a good fitment on your DJI goggles. Thanks, guys. Take care.